Okay, remediation 6, graphing polynomials and writing equations. So writing equations, you have 3 steps. Remember? 1, well, we gotta start with y equals. First thing first, you gotta check the right arrow, right? If this is going down, your whole thing starts with negative. Then you have to find all the x-intercepts, and we write them in opposite signs. Okay, you don't have to put zeros. Now, step 3, is this bounced or is this passed? That's it. This bounced. There was a U-turn, so that's 2. This passed, so it's just 1. Done. Moving on to 2, or B. Right arrow says negative. Now, ooh, this is bad. This is bad. How many x-intercepts we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Always opposite signs. Sorry guys, I'm holding the tablet because my pen is acting kind of funny, that's why. So, right arrow, is that better? Right arrow and then do the x-intercept but opposite signs. Pass, 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 pass. There's no U-turn at that x-intercept, so this is all good. 1, 1, 1, 1. Moving on. Sketching. To sketch it, first you have to check the degree. Degree is 2 plus 1 plus 1. It's 4. That's even. This is positive. So graph is going to go up and up. Then you have to find the x-intercepts. This part is going to give us 0. Okay, now x is 0, but is it going to bounce or pass at that point? That is based on multiplicity. So if it's 2, it's even number, it's gonna pass. Oh my gosh, I did not just write that, did I? Who wrote this? That was not me. That was crazy talk. Bounce. Even is bounce. Bounce. You see? It's bounce. What's happening? See, it wasn't me. It was the ghost that came to write this. Bounce. Second one. X negative 4. So at negative 4, it's going to pass. Why? Because multiplicity is odd. Odd is pass. This point, 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Subtract 3, subtract 3. 4x is equal to negative 3 divided by 4, divided by 4. Oh no, it's negative 7.75. So around there. And that's gonna pass. This was bounce. So now you connect them. Start from the left arrow, pass it, and bounce it. Done. Cool? Can we move on to number 3? Okay, first thing first, tell me the degree. It is 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is 9. 9 is odd. Odds go opposite direction. But look at that, it's negative odd because the negative leading term. So it's gonna go down at the right side, but because it's odd, it's going opposite direction. 3 points, 3 x-intercepts are 0, and that's gonna bounce because of even multiplicity. Bounce. Middle part, 6. Multiplicity is 3, so it has to pass. Last one, 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Add 5, add 5. 2x is 5 divided by 2 divided by 2. It's 2.5. 2.5, and that's going to bounce because 4 is even. So let's connect them. Start with the left arrow, come to the 0, and it's gonna bounce. Come to 2.5, it's gonna bounce. And come to the 6, it passes through. So bounce has a U, it's U-turn. Bounce makes a U-turn, and passes through. Sketch. Alright, this is tricky because you cannot sketch until you factor like LT4. If you don't know how to do this, you gotta go back to LT4 remediation videos and then try to figure it out. I'm putting out 9x squared. Why? Well, you know it had to be x squared, right? And then you have to find a number you can both divide 9 and 27. And actually, you could divide them by 9s. And yes, it's gonna be 4. So that's going to be x minus 3, 9x squared minus 4. Now, more is 4 a 2 square? Sure. Well, what about this? Yes, 3x squared is 9x squared. So yes, we have to do more. This, don't know. X minus 3 stays. Whoa, I don't know what's wrong with this. I'm doing the same thing. The other part is going to be 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2. Okay, 3 points are, 3 because of this, right? This is going to be negative 2/3. This is going to be positive 2/3. Now, look at the multiplicity. 1, 1, 1. So they are all gonna be pass, okay? It's positive. Nothing about this is negative. So it's gonna go up. Now you have to see. Degree is 3, right? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So it's gonna go opposite. So 1 has to start over here because it's gonna go up at the end. So now we just pass. There's 4. Pause the video if you want to copy it. Sorry for the pen, you know. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not sure if you heard my phone going up, but yep, I'm back. Okay, let's finish this. Number 5. Same thing, 2 by 2. OMG. See, I think this means I need to take a break. I've been making video for 3 hours straight now. Yeah, my tablet's like, you need to take a break. It is Saturday morning that I should not have to do this. I think that's what my tablet is saying. Alright, so I factored in one more time. If you don't understand how to do this, you gotta review LT4, okay? We're not gonna, we're doing LT6. We don't have time to do LT4 and LT5 and LT6 in short little amount of time. You just have to go back and catch up with all the other stuff. Now here, see, one more time, that 4, and you know, you'll see they all should have extra step because otherwise we did not talk about how to find the x's without doing this extra step. There, and we bring down the 2x plus 7. Wow, it just gets worse. That's kind of why I'm not even putting the tablet up because of this. There. Now, the 3 things are, see, this is LT5. If you don't understand what I'm doing right here, I cannot really see what I'm writing. If you don't understand what I'm doing right here, you have to look at LT5. Okay? I'm sorry. I am just gonna have to go and think that you can do this. Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead. Negative 2, negative 3.5. Because that's the 7 over 2. Then we have negative 2. And then we have positive 2. Okay, back to LT5. What is a degree? It's gotta be 1, 1, 1. So it's 3. Odd, positive, up, and opposite direction. They all pass because they're all odd exponents, right? Ones are all odd. So that's kind of how it looks like. I know we just have number 6 left, so I'm just gonna finish this. And I'm pretty sure you guys are good at this. Y equals, how many x-intercepts do I have? 2 plus 1, so it's 1, 2, 3. You could put any number you like inside. Okay, 2 x-intercepts are bouncing, so it has to be even. 1 is passing, so it's odd. Together they make 5. There is only one way to do this, right? 2, 2, 1. Done. B. 2 x-intercepts. 1, 2. And they both bounce, so that's even number. Together you want to make 4. Well, can't really be too creative there. Last one. 2 x-intercept, 1 x-intercept, total of 3. So this is just like back to A. Write any number. Cool? 2 evens, 1 odd, that makes 7. So I would say 2, 2, 3, that makes 7. So there you have it. That's learning target 6. Good luck on your retake. Bye-bye. Sorry for the sloppy. I mean, look, this is crazy. This was X. This is X. Yeah, I don't know what. Something's wrong with my pen. So sorry, guys. Bye.